So whilst Flying Raven Studios is all about exploring the world of miniature modelling, it's also about cutting through the fluff and the marketing to show you how stuff actually works and help you make the right choice for the bit kit for your project. Now the really cool thing is that we've got whole loads of different people joining the Flying Raven journey. So some of you are tabletop wargamers of loads of different types of game. We've also got scale modelers, we've got train model enthusiasts, all sorts, and everyone's got different needs. You'll never hear me say something is rubbish, because what is, well, rubbish for one particular job will be absolutely perfect for somebody else. So what I'm going to try and do instead is show how things work and experiment with them and see how they actually work, and let you decide if it's the right thing for you and your project. Now to help with this, right back at the very start, you asked me to add in resource lists onto all of the videos so you can check out the kit yourself and go and find it. So that's what I did. But also that means that since as the channel's kind of grown, we've now got hundreds of bits of kit all spread across tons and tons of different videos. And I often get messages and emails coming through saying, John, what was that brushes you were talking about? Or what was that bit of kit to get that effect? So to try and make life a little bit easier, I've spent the last couple of weeks building a whole new resource for you. So I've pulled all those resources into one place at flyingravenstudios.com. So the idea of this is that you have everything in one place. So not only can you browse through and find the bits of kit that we use to make these videos, you can also see a video right next to it that will show how it actually works. And then you can make the choice if it's right for you and your project. And not only that, I'm hoping that using this resource will help save you money as well. So if you know something's going to be right for you, then it is far less likely to be stuffed in the back of a drawer and never see the light of day again. So not only that, after you've checked it out and you found something you like, then I'll put some links down below each particular project, which are a win-win situation. Because not only can you go and buy from a trusted supplier, someone that I use myself, because those links are affiliate links, which means that if you do buy something through them, then that supplier may give a little bit of money back to the channel, which means I can then buy more bits of kit to review it and test it and share with you guys. And the modelling circle of life continues. Now I've done everything I can to put everything together into one place to make life as simple and as easy as I can for you. But this is a resource for you. So if you have any ideas or thoughts, then please let me know down in the comments. And I've also put a link for the website down in the description. So please go check it out, save it on the bookmarks, and it's there for whenever you need it. Oh, and I almost forgot, is that on there as well, I've now started a blog, and that is going to be going through all the behind the scenes type stuff and what else is kind of going on, any news and events, but also some more reviews over bits of kit and stuff I can't really fit into all the videos. So that's another great thing to go check out. Now all of this is really exciting and I'm really looking forward to building it along with you as we go. But after you've checked that lot out, then you might want to check out this video right here.